Money is tight for many families, and that has led some people to rely on those buy now, pay later loan options to afford just everyday items.
Yeah, these loans used to not impact credit ratings, but that has changed, and experts are warning of the implications. 8 on your side consumer investigator Call Behnken joins us now.
Jen, Josh, these loans can be beneficial in the right circumstances, but consumer advocates say there are pitfalls that can harm your future. For the past few years, buy now, pay later has taken off, with shoppers using the option, which are loans, to pay for everything from groceries to takeout food to furniture. FICO announced last fall it would start incorporating buy now, pay later data into new scoring models, and that could impact your credit scores. And that is already happening now. John Zajac of the Better Business Bureau.
People need to understand that they are borrowing against future money that they're going to have to pay back. And they really just need to understand whether it's worth it for them and their budget.
If you pay on time, it could help build a positive credit history. But if you have late or missed payments, these loans will lower your score, just like a traditional loan or credit card default. Zajac says read the fine print and know the interest rate you will be charged.
Where is this going to be financed? And there's a lot of information about these finance companies where you can find complaints and reviews and see that there's added fees, added costs that you may not be aware of when you're taking out these loans.
According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, more than 1/5 of consumers have used buy now, pay later. And 63% of those borrowers had several of these loans at the same time. One concern, according to the Bureau, is that many with these types of loans already have credit card debt and student loan balances. Zajac recommends considering your overall financial picture before you apply for one of these loans.
They are going to see that a consumer has that level of debt, and are they going to be able to make payment on this car loan that's coming up?
Another thing to consider are teens and young adults. Social media often advertises payment plans, and those types of loans can quickly land you in trouble, especially if you have several of them at a time.
Which you're not trying to talk people out of ever using these. You say there are some people this is actually good for.
Yes, it does have its place, and if you are responsible and you make responsible decisions, this could help you with a big purchase that you need for your family. Experts warn, though, that you need to know the difference between a need and a want, and it's usually better to save for something that you consider a want. But again, if you have something that you really need to get right now, like a new refrigerator for food for your family, this could help.
Yeah, all right, good advice. It's sort of medicine, but it's good advice.